To build your first ActiveChat bot, head over to app.activechat.ai/login. Enter your email and password and hit login. You will be greeted with the bot summary page where you can see the names of all of your bots, the messengers they are connected to, icons to access individual settings page, as well as icons to delete the individual bots. If you don't see any of this, it's because you have not created any bots. To create a new bot, hit the Create New Bot button and select Build from Scratch. Enter a meaningful name for your bot. I will be using Demo Bot. Add a description for your bot and hit Save and Continue when you are done. Once the page loads up, click on Open Visual Flow Builder to be taken to the main page where you will be editing the bot. In the next lecture, we'll be exploring the ActiveChat interface and checking out settings of the new bot that you just created. To access the complete course, head over to chatbotpower.com/ActiveChat-course.